Put it back in.
Okay, you can take it out. You can take it out. Why is there 50? There are only 40 colors.
I just did my ring finger. That's
Wipe it
okay.
off.
What happened? Oh my gosh.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Day Daily. So today I have my friend Cadence here.
What's up?
And today we are doing gel nails. I personally don't do gel nails that often because of how small my nails are. I'm a nail biter. He's not though. Yeah, but anyways, we're still gonna do them, and I used to have really crappy gel nail stuff, and then my mom got these super good ones, and now we have 40 different colors of gel nails, and they're so colorful and awesome, so we wanted to try them out and show you how we do ours. So if you want to see how we do our gel nails, just keep watching. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel. And now let's get into the video. Ready? Okay, so we have all of our colors here. I took till 11 last night, pretty much, to swatch all these colors with my mom, because you have to put 2 coats on them and then you have to put them back in there for a minute. So yeah, let's just get out the colors, and I'm gonna show you. We got these off of Amazon. We got 2 packs of these, and they have different colors. So we have this pack and then that pack up there. Yeah, so let's just start. Now we're gonna start by buffing out the nails. So we're just taking a nail filer, or what it has like a bunch of different sides on it.
Right there.
It just has a bunch of different sides on it that you can use, and I'm just using a regular nail file, and we're gonna buff out our nails because this helps the polish stay better. I'm using light blue.
And then I'm doing hot pink with like white on it.
Yeah, and I'm doing a glittery. I'm doing regular, and then on the ring finger it's a glittery blue. So hopefully that looks good.
Yeah.
So then you're also gonna need a timer. So I'm just gonna use my phone, and we're just gonna get a timer for 1 minute. So we're gonna start with our base coat. Yep. And all of these colors and the base coat, the top coat, and the matte coat, they all come in the kit that we got. Okay, and then I'm going to do my base coat on my nails. Cool. Okay, now I have to figure out what color
Got you. I'll help you. Okay, what?
I think it was this
6?
6, I think. Yes, okay, so then we just find number 6. Found it.
This is number 6, by the way. Right there.
Okay, and then is your color, which hot pink is it? The darker one or the lighter?
I think I'm gonna do
23?
23.
Yeah. Okay. Here's 23.
And 33.
And 33. Let's look at our colors here. So number 5 is our glittery color here. That is number 5. That's my shimmery color I got for on top of my blue. And then let's check out number 6. Okay, got it. And then here is our blue that I'm using. It's really pretty. This is the hot pink Kinsey's using. It's even more hot pink in real life. Here is our white. It's just regular white. Are you gonna do a matte coat or a gloss? I'm gonna have to do more than 1 coat.
Oh, me too.
It's really light on the first coat.
We're doing a second coat, so it's fine. We're like, yeah, works. It's fine.
1 second. Stick your fingers in.
But it's like when you go into a haunted house and it's like neon, like the clowns, it's so fun when they go through that. Like,
Okay, I'm gonna do my second coat on this hand.
kind of shows where I messed up, but that's fine.
We are just gonna finish our second coats, and then we'll show you what we're gonna do next. So we finished. Cadence is on her matte. Anyways, and I just did my glitter on this one, so it looks like this so far. Okay, I think I'm only gonna do 1 layer or 1 coat of the glittery because I don't really want it to like overpower the blue.
I'm not very good at nails, but like there's that I did. Can't really see my mistakes from that one.
Yeah,
that's good.
Okay. So now I'm going to do my matte.
I do 1 minute 30 seconds because
Yeah.
The last coat might take longer, you know?
I still have to do my other hand. I've been working on this hand, so then I'll finish up that.
Ooh,
That looks really cool.
It like stinks, but it feels really nice. Like that's so weird, but like
Yeah, if you like watch this, take your hand off for 2 seconds. Put it back in. Okay, you can take it out. You can take it out. Now take it off. You can take it off.
it dried.
But yeah, the mat burns, so try not to get this on your skin because it will burn your nail.
As demonstrated with me.
Yeah. Is it still sting?
Just a little bit. Well, that kind of looks cool. I like it. It makes it look more neon.
Yeah, I think it makes it look super cool. I'm just gonna finish these, and then I'm gonna finish this end, and then we'll be back. All right, we're all finished. This is what they look like. They turned out really cute. I definitely recommend this kit. It's awesome. Hopefully they last. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for being in my video with me.
You're welcome.
Yep, it was super fun. So yeah, we'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.